Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by installing Camera Lucida and granting camera and overlay permissions so the app can project reliably. Once done, place your device over the subject on a stable support. You want minimal shake so tracing stays accurate. Open the app, select Orientation, then enable the live overlay and set opacity to around 50% so you can see both subject and paper. This creates the composite image you will trace. Make small adjustments to position now so the projected lines align with your drawing surface. Now you calibrate the overlay to match your paper and drawing style. Start by enabling grid or guidelines and use the flip or mirror tool to correct handedness. This matters for left-handed tracing. Then refine opacity and contrast so edges read clearly against your paper, and focus or lock focus if the app offers that. Sharpness equals accuracy. Use two-finger pinch and drag to scale and translate the overlay. Once aligned to key reference points, lock transforms so your tracing proceeds without drift. You trace broad shapes first, using light strokes, then switch to finer lines for detail. Toggle the overlay on and off to evaluate proportions as you go. Once finished, export a high-resolution image or save the project file and back it up to cloud or local storage before closing the app. If you encounter jitter or misalignment, make sure the device is firmly secured. Try reducing camera zoom to widen the field of view, or enable the app stabilization or tripod mode to stop shake and restore accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.